welcome back to my channel. Like this video and subscribe my channel. And first I go to the effect and done it. And I go to the border and done it. And I go to the fit and I go to the border and I go to the fit. The video is complete. Thanks for watching.